With the constant introduction of pathogens into facilities, surfaces, and environments, we need a solution that works continuously on all surfaces, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. A technology that goes to work as soon as a contamination occurs before it can multiply and spread. A solution that has been demonstrated in laboratory testing and hospital trials to be effective in reducing clinical relevant pathogens. That is why Smart Protection brings to you the unique hands-free disinfecting technology that is installed in your air conditioner system and immediately goes to work for you on its own. Without any additional stuff, it works 24/7 to reduce contamination whenever and wherever it occurs. With our facility-wide solution, clients are provided and added a layer of protection for the moment they enter your facility until they leave. Our technology converts water in air into highly effective oxidizing molecules, which exit the air duct in through a normal convection. It circulates through the target area, reducing dangerous pathogens on all surfaces, including floors and curtains. No training staff, no operator required, no moving machines, or delaying use of areas. It is completely safe to use in occupied spaces, and in recent studies, it has even reduced employment absentees, proving effective against a broad spectrum of clinically relevant pathogens like MRSA, VRE, CRE, Aspergillus niger, C. difficile, norovirus, rotavirus, H1N1, and more. The appropriate units are placed into the side of the air duct near the area to be treated. To give you an idea, a typical 25-bed unit generally needs 7 to 9 devices to provide an added layer of protection on all of the surfaces of all of the rooms, halls, common areas, and staff areas. Once activated, it utilizes photocatalysis to convert the air-water molecules naturally founded in humidity into highly effective oxidizing molecules, predominantly hydrogen peroxide. It is a completely organic process. It uses cold plasma, which is a light source in reaction with a titanium dioxide-coated matrix, to create oxidizing molecules which then seek out for mold, fungus, bacteria, and viruses, oxidizing them at a cellular level. These oxidizing molecules exit the duct and through a natural convection settle on all the surfaces, including curtains and floors. Highly effective molecules are generated continuously at levels safe enough to occupied spaces. It is Wi-Fi enabled and provides constant tracking to ensure that it is always accurate and always on, protecting your facility, your clients, you, and your staff. The technology is virtually maintenance-free and comes with an annual environmental assessment that you can use to demonstrate your commitment with the environment of care. To get started, call us today.